In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install an ad blocker to Safari on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to install the ad blocker extension to Safari. To do this, you want to open the Safari application, and then you want to click on the Safari option in the top left hand corner, and within the drop down menu you want to select Safari extensions. This will open the Safari extensions page within the App Store, where here you can browse all of the Safari extensions. Now in this example we need to search for the extension we want, so in the search bar on the left we are going to search AdGuard. Once you've searched for AdGuard, it should be the first result, which will look like this, so we can click into it. And if you want to read more information about this extension, you can scroll all the way down, and as you can see it says it's the Safari extension. Now to download this you want to scroll all the way to the top and you want to click on the Get button. However, I've downloaded this in the past, so it looks like a cloud button. Once the extension has been downloaded, we can go ahead and exit out of the App Store, and now we just need to enable it for our Safari web browser. To do this, you want to make sure you are in the Safari web browser, and then you want to click on Safari again in the top left hand corner, and this time you want to select Settings from the drop down menu. Once you're inside the settings window, you want to click on Extensions at the very top, and here it's going to give you a list of all of the extensions you have currently got, and for this example it's going to be AdGuard. Now you want to make sure these are all selected like you can see on screen here, and you may need to enter in your Mac password to do this. Once they have all been selected, it means the AdGuard extension has been enabled, and now you're successfully blocking ads in your Safari web browser. So if we go to a web page that has a load of ads, as you can see no ads are shown because the extension is currently working. If you want to add an extension shortcut to your toolbar at the top, you simply want to right click anywhere in your toolbar, and then you want to select Customize Toolbar. From here you want to drag and drop the AdGuard extension anywhere on your toolbar. Once you've done this you want to click on Done, and now you've successfully added the extension to your toolbar. We can go ahead and change some settings. An alternative way of accessing AdGuard settings is by going to the Launchpad, and as you can see the AdGuard for Safari also downloads as an application, so you can click into that. And here you can adjust all of your AdGuard settings, like Launch AdGuard on Safari Login, and if you go to Filters at the top here, you can change which application filters you want to customize here. So once you're done you can exit out of AdGuard, and I want to keep running it in the background, so I'm going to select yes, and then you can start browsing Safari without ads just as you normally would. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments you can leave them below.